Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Pinterest app, you click on Settings. In the first page, you will find the window of Settings and you can click on Apps. And above, you can search about Pinterest app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.